The LG V20 user here, and today I'm doing a video on the LG V35 ThinQ for AT&T, guys. So the V35 ThinQ is now available as of today, June 8th. So you guys can get the V35 ThinQ in two colors, Aurora Black or Platinum Gray. You can get it on monthly installments or by the phone outright. So it's $30 a month for 30 months, or $899.99 outright. So I'll keep that in mind. So here's the phone right here, and I guess they have a special. They get like a special offer or whatever. It says buy one get one free when you buy both on AT&T Next with eligible wireless, minimum $65 combined after discounts. A limited time, each required $899.99. One installment requires new line. Free after credits over 30 months. If service canceled, device balance due, $30 activation, additional fees, taxes and other charges and restrictions apply. So if you guys want to check that out, so then buy a V35 ThinQ and get one for free. So that's the one right there. So I figured I'd let you guys know about that. So there's the phone right there, front and center. So you guys got the front facing camera, earpiece, and your screen there. Nice looking wallpaper on the lock screen there. Nice looking wallpaper there. And you have shortcuts to your camera and your phone right there. Back at the V35 ThinQ, you guys your SIM card and SD card slots on the right side. On the back of the V35, you guys got dual cameras, camera flash, power button, size fingerprint sensor, V35 ThinQ branding, LG logo. There is no AT&T branding, which I'm just kind of surprised about that, but hey, that's good. Here's the back of it up close there, so you guys see volume buttons on the left side there. You know, here it is from a different angle. Like I said, volume buttons on the left there. So yep. It's a nice phone and whatnot, you know. Here's the top of the V35. You got your headphone jack and your noise cancellation microphone on top, right there. On the bottom of the V35, you have your microphone, Type-C charging, and your speaker right there. So that's a win. See, there's any more pictures that we got here. That might be it. So let's go check this phone out, right? Just ignore that right there. Just people about different phones or whatever. Key features of the V35 is Google Lens, artificial intelligence, ultra sleek design, 6-inch Quad AC plus OLED full vision display, brilliant colors, nearly edge-to-edge screen, artificial intelligence camera, automatically suggest best photo and video effects, incredible sound, realistic cinematic DTS:X 3D surround audio there. Alright, that's a win. Your life smarter. Introducing the LG V35 ThinQ with built-in artificial intelligence. Intelligence built into its core. With Google Lens, just tap the V35 ThinQ camera and you are instantly empowered with information about what you are looking at. Dog breed identifier, contact information from the owner's business card, even helpful books and articles. So as you guys see, example of a third. They got an example of the Eiffel Tower in Paris, France, right there, as you guys can see. Smart camera. With a camera this smart, it knows exactly what you are shooting and automatically suggests the best filter and angle in late situations. That means you'll never miss a special moment in a romantically lit restaurant or under the night sky. Big screen, visual perfection. The 6-inch full-vision HDR OLED display offers striking clarity, beautiful contrast, and an expansive spectrum of vibrant, authentic color. And the nearly edge-to-edge screen is perfect for watching DirecTV live and reported shows from virtually anywhere. Surround sound to go. Get exceptional sound from your favorite movies or games with realistic cinematic DTS:X 3D surround audio. You'll feel like you're on stage at a rock concert, on the set of an action movie, or in a video game as a fearless avatar. You deserve a better unlimited. Binge your favorite movies and shows. Share unlimited photos and video chat anytime. AT&T has the nation's largest and most reliable network, so you can get the speed, security, and reliability you need. Specs on the V35. I'm gonna expand them all out here. There's your sizes there. So it's 5.97 inches height, 2.97 inches depth, and 0.29 inches depth there. So it's 5.97 inches height, 2.97 inches width, and 0.29 depth there. The frame weight is 5.57 ounces. Display size, like I said, 6-inch full vision HDR OLED display, 2080 by 1440 pixels. It has 16 million colors. It has dual cameras on back, 16 megapixel with LED flash, 8x digital zoom and wide angle. There's your things there. It has an 8 megapixel front facing camera with wide angle, aperture 1.6, 4K, yes. Google Lens, it does have that, obviously. Identify objects, landmarks, or artwork, translate words, scan barcodes, and more. Artificial intelligence camera recognize the subject and context and automatically applies the best effect or suggests using wide angle. Super bright mode intelligently take your best photos when in low light conditions. Portrait. When taking a portrait photo, this mode makes the background out of focus. Manual camera. You can manually control how photos and videos are taken by adjusting the focus, shutter speed, ISO, white balance, exposure, etc. Scene video. Create high quality videos right from your phone. Food colors will be enhanced and brightened for best quality photos and videos. Slow-mo, record a video that plays in slow motion. Panorama. Capture the whole scene by tapping on the shutter button and moving your phone slowly in one direction. Flash jump out. Create a short and fun animation by taking up to 20 photos 3 seconds apart. Live photo records the action before and after a photo is taken. Stickers detects the location and shape of faces to record in your photos. The battery on the V35 ThinQ is 3300 milliamps. The battery is not removable, so the battery is embedded in the phone. Talk time is up to 20 hours. Standby time is up to 18 days. Audio playback 13 hours with speaker and 93 hours with headphones. Alright. Wireless charging capable with Q charging capable. Fast charging, yes. Qualcomm Quick Charge 3.0 right there. Charging time As you guys can see right there, 0 to 50% in 35 minutes, and 0 to 100 in 110 minutes. Alright, so not too bad. The processor on the V35 ThinQ is a Qualcomm Snapdragon 845. It's octa-core It's an octa-core processor right there. Snapdragon 845. The memory on the V35 ThinQ is 64 gig. External memory up to 2 terabytes, and the RAM is 6 gig. So that's a win right there. It has Android 8.1 Oreo or 8.9. I think it's 8.1. Voice dialing and voice command Google Assistant, of course. It has 4G LTE. It has all those bands right there: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 12, 14, 20, 29, 30, 38, 39, 40, 41, 46, and 66. There it has HSPA, 3G, has GSM there, world phone, quad band, HC voice compatible, Wi-Fi calling, yes, AT&T video call, yes, Wi-Fi connectivity, 802.11 ABG, and an AC, I, and R. It's interesting, dual band Wi-Fi, it has NFC, Bluetooth 5.0, mobile hotspot, yes, noise suppression by QCT solution. Wireless emergency alerts, yes. SIM type, nano SIM card right there. And all the apps that come with this phone. There's a lot of apps, obviously. So AT&T apps, you get AT&T apps like AT&T Call Protect, AT&T Drive Mode, AT&T Hotspots, AT&T Messages, Backup and Sync, AT&T Mobile Security, AT&T Protect, AT&T Remote Support, AT&T Setup and Transfer, AT&T Smart Limits, AT&T Smart Wi-Fi, AT&T Visual Voicemail, DirecTV. Those are all the AT&T apps. You get included apps. You get Amazon Shopping, Android Pay, which is Google Pay now, Audio Recorder, Facebook App Manager, Facebook FM Radio, IQ, I'm not sure what that is, LG Backup, LG Health, LG Music, LG Smart World, Quick Memo Plus videos. You get My AT&T, which provides fast and easy account access virtually anytime, anywhere. And your default web browser is Google Chrome, but you can use other web browsers from the Play Store if you guys want to do so. The sensors you got on the V35, you have accelerometer, ambient light, barometer, digital compass, fingerprint, gyroscope, and proximity. Text messages, as you guys know what they are. Self-explanatory right there. Music, there's your files there. It has LG Music and Google Play Music on board. Google Play Music is awesome. It's the best streaming service for music out there, in my opinion. It has all that stuff there. Sustainability and all that. What you get in the V35 ThinQ box is you get the AC adapter, USB cable, quick start guide, and I think that's pretty much it. So yeah, there it is, guys. The LG V35 ThinQ is now available on AT&T as of today, June 8th. It's available for $30 a month for 30 months, or $900 outright, so keep that in mind. So yeah. So it's right here, guys. So yeah, this is an AT&T exclusive, because the AT&T did not get the LG G7 ThinQ. They skipped out on that, so this is an AT&T exclusive smartphone for now. So yeah, that's all pretty much it. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It really helps me out a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.